do you notice about this shape? What does it remind you of? A block? A dice? Yep, absolutely. We have seen this shape before in blocks, in dice, maybe ice cubes this shape. This is called a cube. Somebody got a hold of this one with their pencil, but this one is a cube, and it has 6 faces that are all squares. Think about what a dice does look like. A die, one die, has 6 numbers on it. You can roll a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So that means it has 6 faces. These are all the shape of a square, each face. What about this shape? Is this a cube? What do you notice different about this shape? No, this is called a rectangular prism because the faces are all rectangles. 2 of the faces are squares, but 4 of the faces are rectangular. So this is a rectangular prism. A cube is a special kind of rectangular prism, just like a square was a special kind of rectangle. Remember that? All right, let's go learn about rectangular prisms and cubes. So today we will identify 3-dimensional shapes. We will label the attributes of a cube and a rectangular prism because it is important to be able to identify different shapes. Let's review our vocabulary. Attributes. Say attributes. 3D solids. Say 3D solids. Face. Say face. A face is a flat surface of a solid object. Edge. Say edge. The edge is a line segment where 2 faces meet. Vertices. Say vertices. Vertices are the points where the edges meet. Sphere. Say sphere. A sphere is a round, solid figure. Cube. Say cube. A cube is a solid shape with 6 square faces. Here are some dice, here are some cubes, and here's some ice cubes and a block and a box, another block. Rectangular prism. Say rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is a solid shape with 2 square faces and 4 rectangular faces. For your assignment today, you are going to label the attributes of the cube and the rectangular prism. Let's look at the cube really quickly. So look at the cube. Remember I told you to pretend like it was a dice because dice are cubes. How many numbers are on one die? 6. So there are 6 faces on a cube. Use the pen tool to write the number of faces on a cube. How many edges? The edges are the line segments where the faces meet. Count the line segment where the faces meet. The vertices are the corners where the edges meet. Count the vertices. Now I'm going to give you a little hint, but you have to listen really carefully. I'm only going to say it one time. Ready? Did you get that? What? I told you to listen. You didn't hear me? Okay, I'll try one more time. Ready? A rectangular prism is going to have the same number of faces, edges, and vertices as a cube. Okay? So you're going to count one, and it's going to be the same for the other. All right, when you are finished labeling the attributes, you are going to, sorry about that, technical issues today. So when you are finished labeling the attributes, you are going to use the pen tool to circle all of the cubes in the picture. And then on the next page, you're going to circle all of the rectangular prisms. What did you learn today, boys and girls? You learned that attributes are a quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. 3D solids are shapes that are not flat. A face is a flat surface of a solid object. An edge is where a line segment where two faces meet. And the vertices are where the points where the edges meet. A sphere is a round solid figure. A cube is a solid shape with 6 square faces and is also a special kind of rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is a solid shape with 2 square faces and 4 rectangular faces. When you are finished, you will go watch a Brain Pop video about 3D shapes, your extra math, your iStation math, and whatever else your teacher needs you to do today. Have a great day, boys and girls. Bye.